We examine the present status of the cryptocurrency market in today's video, paying special attention to two of the most talked about digital assets, Bitcoin and XRP. Knowing the importance of these cryptocurrencies is essential as we traverse a terrain characterized by volatility and quick changes. Bitcoin, which is frequently considered the forerunner of the cryptocurrency space, is still in a strong position and has an impact on investor sentiment and market movement. A major participant in the changing financial ecosystem, XRP has attracted attention for its distinct use case in enabling cross-border transactions. Our goal is to give you useful insights that will enable you to make well-informed judgments by analyzing the most recent market situations. Anyone wishing to invest in or interact with cryptocurrencies must comprehend market trends and examine past data. This information improves your ability to predict future changes and equips you to handle the market's intricacies. We'll talk about the elements influencing price changes, the effects of regulatory changes, and investor sentiment as we examine the current dynamics. Our objective is to keep you informed and involved while giving you the resources you need to comprehend the nuances of XRP and Bitcoin. Thus, stay tuned as we break down the most recent findings and forecasts that could influence your investment approach in this dynamic market, regardless of your level of experience. We'll look more closely at the prices and performance of the main cryptocurrencies in this section with a focus on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. The current price of Bitcoin is at $30,000, which represents a recent decline of about 5% during the previous 7 days. In contrast, Ethereum is currently trading at nearly $2,000 after declining by roughly 4% during the same period. XRP has also experienced some volatility. It is presently trading at 50 cents, a 6% drop from its last peak. Even though these figures could sound alarming, it's important to look at the 90-day charts in order to gain a more comprehensive understanding. We can spot trends and patterns that may be hidden by short-term price fluctuations thanks to this longer-term perspective. Bitcoin has been resilient over the last 3 months, rising from lower levels, and Ethereum and XRP have also showed signs of recovery potential. Investors must maintain composure and knowledge throughout these market swings. Missed opportunities can result from panic selling, particularly if the market eventually recovers. You may make better selections if you keep up with price swings and comprehend the fundamental causes of these shifts. Recall that price fluctuations are a natural aspect of the Bitcoin market's intrinsic volatility. Thus, inhale deeply, pay attention to those 90-day patterns, and concentrate on your long-term investment plan. You can more successfully negotiate these rough seas if you have the correct attitude and information. We'll examine the long-term patterns and fluctuations in the cryptocurrency market in this section, paying special attention to XRP's performance. XRP has grown significantly over the last year, going from about 50 cents to an astounding $2. This astounding rise demonstrates XRP's tenacity as well as its potential to become a major force in the cryptocurrency market. A closer examination of market cycles and past performance is necessary to comprehend such expansion. XRP is not an exception to the rule that cryptocurrencies frequently go through periods of sharp growth followed by corrections. Investors can make better selections and acquire important insights into possible future moves by researching these cycles. Although short-term volatility can be unnerving, it's important to understand that long-term trends are what really count. Although many investors might be inclined to respond rashly to daily market swings, taking a longer-term view can produce better results. You may gain a deeper understanding of the fundamentals that underpin the value of XRP and the market as a whole by keeping an eye on the big picture. This strategy puts you in a position to take advantage of future growth possibilities while also reducing the stress brought on by market declines. As we continue to track XRP's progress, keep in mind that managing the constantly changing cryptocurrency world requires patience and a well-informed approach. Therefore, let's continue to focus on the long term and be dedicated to comprehending the patterns that will influence XRPs and the cryptocurrency market's future. We'll discuss the ramifications of the White House's recent efforts to update the payment system in this section, as well as how these developments might affect the cryptocurrency market. The goal of the proposed amendments is to improve the security and efficiency of financial transactions, which could lead to a wider acceptance of cryptocurrencies. The government is demonstrating its openness to welcome innovation by integrating cutting-edge technologies and simplifying payment procedures, which could help digital currencies. Blockchain technology, which provides a decentralized and transparent foundation for transactions, is essential to this development. Payment systems can be made more secure by utilizing blockchain, which lowers fraud and boosts consumer trust. This change in technology may persuade more companies and customers to think about cryptocurrencies as practical substitutes for conventional payment systems. Furthermore, powerful people's political support for cryptocurrencies, such as that of former President Trump, is vital in influencing public opinion and policy. Prominent figures supporting the inclusion of cryptocurrencies in the financial system give the sector legitimacy and can create a more welcoming regulatory climate. With this assistance, worries about digital assets may be allayed, increasing their attractiveness to businesses and regular investors. It's evident from examining these advancements that the modernization of payment methods may act as a spur for the wider adoption of cryptocurrencies. We can more accurately predict how the changing regulatory environment may affect cryptocurrency's future and its incorporation into routine financial transactions by being aware of these ramifications. This section will cover the idea of market manipulation and offer forecasts for upcoming market movements, with an emphasis on Bitcoin and XRP in particular. Through their buying and selling operations, market makers, entities that provide liquidity to allow trading, have a considerable impact on pricing. Investors must remain aware of market trends and possible manipulation strategies because of their capacity to produce fictitious price movements, which can cause volatility. It is essential to comprehend these dynamics in order to successfully navigate the crypto ecosystem. We can determine probable price objectives for XRP and Bitcoin based on past data. Analysts frequently examine significant resistance levels for Bitcoin around $35,000, while support levels might be found around $25,000. However, if positive momentum persists, XRP may see goals around $1.50, with support levels around 40 cents. These prices are merely indicators based on historical performance and market sentiment. They are not promises. Since market corrections are inevitable in every trading environment, it's critical to be ready for them as we predict future movements. Although corrections can be unnerving, astute investors can also take advantage of them. It's critical to exercise patience during these changes. Hasty decisions might result in costs or lost chances. You can put yourself in a better position to profit from future rebounds by maintaining composure and concentrating on long-term plans. Let's remain alert and knowledgeable as we proceed, prepared to adjust to the always shifting Bitcoin market conditions. We've discussed a number of important topics in this video that are essential to comprehending the Bitcoin market's current situation. We started off by talking about the current state of the market and pointing out the latest changes in the prices of